if you already know that you want to make money online, but you have struggled to make your first dollar online, or maybe your first 10,000, and you are serious about this, you're committed with your success, but you know, you don't know exactly what you do, don't worry, I have something for you. Hey, as you know, my name is Castillo. I'm from moneymakerarea.com, and in today's video, guys and girls, I want to give you the opportunity to work with me. Yes, with me as a mentor. Right now, I'm offering a one-on-one coaching call. By the way, I'm going to leave a link below if you want to get more details. But anyways, those for you who did not know, yeah, I started affiliate marketing a year ago. I have been having really good success, but this is not lucky, this is not lucky. I started in the online world in 2007. By that time, I was blogging. I have a blog network. At that time, it was Spanish, but it helped me to learn about everything like hosting domains, newsletters, broadcasting letters, everything about email marketing, ad campaigns, free traffic, SEO, etc. So it was a great opportunity. It was a great school. Unfortunately, I was forced to sell my blog network. Also, someone stole from me $100,000 and maxed out my credit cards. So I was in debt. I was forced to work full-time jobs. I didn't enjoy them, but experience, and I knew that I would like to go back to online businesses. So I was doing dropshipping. Also, I was pretty successful on that one, but to be honest, dropshipping is really time consuming, that I was looking for something way more passive. So when I found out about affiliate marketing, I was like, okay, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I need. And if you aren't sure, like, okay, should I jump into affiliate marketing? I can tell you that it is the best option. It is the easiest way to make money online, because you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to worry about customer service, refund, etc. You are literally referring people to a product that you are pretty sure they're gonna like, they're gonna enjoy, and they're gonna keep. So as I mentioned before, if you're in struggle because you know that this is what you want to do, but you are jumping from one business opportunity to the other, you have the shiny object syndrome, or maybe like, hey, you need to create a funnel, but you are not sure which software you need to get done. You don't know how to develop your online marketing strategy. Maybe you are overcomplicated your funnels or your email sequence. You don't know how to get started. You're a complete beginner, or you consider yourself a beginner. Well, this service is for you. As I told you, it's a one-on-one coaching call. I'm here to help you guys, to help you grow, to help you make your first dollar. I can tell you that the first sales, it's magical. There is something magic on it. So because whenever you make your first sales, whenever you make your first dollar online, it is possible. Because if you want to make one sale, you can make 100, you can make 1,000. So if you're ready to jump in, if you're committed with your success, I'm committed to help you. I'm gonna guide you in order for you to be successful. I'm not gonna do the job for you. Okay, you need to put the work. You need to do the work. So, but I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna let you know what's the best strategy for you. If you are not sure about the product that you're gonna promote, I can help you with that as well. So the doors are open. The opportunity is just on the table. So it's time for you to grab it. Once again, if you're interested about it, click the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description, and I see you inside.